You think you're gonna beat the lightning?
Thank that ass.
I don't care because it's my wife. Do a donut. What's up, guys? Back with another video. And we got SVT Cassandra.
And GMC.
Oh no, GMC Cassandra, because I'll be driving the lightning. Me and Cassandra heard you guys wanted us to race. So Cassandra's gonna be driving the GMC and I'm gonna be driving the lightning. We're gonna take these trucks out for a spin and we might do a little bit of race. You think you're gonna beat the lightning?
¿Cómo dice? Spank that ass.
What the hell? Hey, what are you doing, little kid?
Yeah, she's Team GMC.
Look at her, she's like, yeah.
Team GMC.
Look at Mattia, Mattia.
Hey.
So yeah, guys, comment down below who you think is gonna win, me or Cassandra.
Obviously.
It's not about the, it's really about the driver. So if you can't drive, you're not gonna win.
So what's the point?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like when people talk about, you know, who's gonna race, my truck is faster than yours.
Yeah.
So if mine's faster, then logically I would win.
Yeah, that's the point. For you to win, you gotta win. You need to win.
Okay, so let's make a bet.
What?
If you lose, I give you 10 minutes.
A massage.
A massage.
And if I win? Jesus Christ, this is getting intense. Who do you think is gonna win, Camila?
Mommy! Dada
The
o
Ford
mama?
Lightning or your mama?
¿Quién? Dada?
She don't know. She don't know what the hell going on.
She don't
Come
care.
on.
She's just happy she outside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
GMC versus the Lightning. Comment, guys, who you guys think is gonna win? Cassandra or me?
I'm driving very cautiously. Porque si le llega a pasar algo a esta pinche troca, fíjate que él se va a morir. Y ni modo de que me culpe.
Alright. Where's Cassandra? I don't care, Cassandra's my wife. She's gonna get spanked. Where is she? Come on. I don't know why I get this like adrenaline rush whenever I'm about to race. Alright, guys, so we're gonna do a little 20 roll. You ready?
Espérate, I said that 20 now? Okay.
kind of, since they're both my trucks, I didn't want either one to lose, you know. But I mean, I'm happy that the GMC's faster. But damn, Cassandra.
This makes me feel dangerous, and not so much for me, but for like others. Like,
look at my hands shaking. I guess because Cassandra's driving and I'm kind of nervous.
concern is like others. Like, watch out! Here comes Cassandra on the road. Quiero otra vez. Quiero otra vez. ¿Qué pedo? Quiere pedo otra vez.
Guys,
Y'all see him back there? Y'all see him? Damn it, boy.
now I'm gonna try to teach her how to do a burnout. Yeah, that's badass though. I thought Cassandra was gonna be like scared to step on it, but she's not.
Like, he's over there explaining how he lost, why he lost, but what did he say? It's about the driver. Wait, did y'all hear that in the beginning? It's about the driver, not the truck. Me, it's about the truck and the driver. That driver looks like it's behind me.
Lightning's moves though. This Lightning moves. I think if I get it tuned or if I do like a little cam swap, this one definitely will move because it doesn't stay that far behind from the GMCs. Huh? Now we're gonna turn. Follow me. She don't know. She don't know. I'm gonna try to ask her to do some donut. I'm bringing Cassandra to my set. This is my set right here. Hey!
Does your ass hurt?
No, man!
Because all that ass I spanked.
No, man, stop.
You said it's about the driver.
Huh?
I thought you said it's about the driver.
You drive pretty good.
I know. I'm quite surprised myself.
You want to try to do a donut?
You gotta teach me.
Oh, you gotta do a step on it and turn the wheel.
The opposite way?
Yeah, turn it all the way and do a donut.
Nah.
Go, don't be scared.
¿Cómo?
Nomás písale, let go of the brake, and turn the wheel. Go! I'm scared for her. Let's see if she does it. Alright, so no, alright, so she's gonna get scared. She's gonna be like, nah, I ain't gonna do it.
He says step on it and turn the wheel. I ain't about this life, y'all.
How do you feel? That was your first donut.
That was my first donut. I've never done a donut.
Was it scary?
Yeah, it was a little scary. My armpits are a little itchy. It's because I'm scared that it's gonna flip.
Drop it down to first gear. And try it again.
To the one?
Yeah.
And try it?
Yeah.
Here's my second attempt. Okay. Drop it to one. Yo le voy a subir estas pinches ventanas porque me voy a caer de aquí, aunque esté más grande que la pinche ventana.
And then I'll try it with the Lightning.
Ya se me bajó la pinche troca.
You did it!
I know I did. Was it good or not?
Yeah, it is pretty good.
Does it? Because I felt
I'm scared que vayan a llegar los cops though. Let's go.
I guess I didn't do major damage. Where's he going? That one? Míralo. No manches. You should have told. Well, I hope mine look like that.
Oh yeah. What is it? Get chico the smoke.
I don't like it look like that. So who knows?
Hey, damn! This does some badass donuts.
I'm living the dangerous life. I need to stop before I like it. It's because I don't do this because I'm very cautious. Like ever since I got in an accident, I don't like do these stuff. Well, I've never actually like todas las trocas que ha tenido Fernando, yo no les piso.
That was Cassandra's first donut. This is my first donut with the lightning. Life is good. Life is good. We gotta get it. I can't wait to have the clone back, guys. Both of these trucks are working top notch right now. Now we just need the clone to be working top notch.
Primero porque pues no sé mucho, ¿verdad? Y segundo porque pues me da miedo. Y tercero porque pues luego si algo le pasa luego me va a culpar a mí Ay, no, es que para qué lo hiciste así. Like, no.
I'm talking about this thing burned them tires, guys. Did you see all that smoke?
But it kind of felt good. But this would be
Hopefully you guys were able to see it. Cassandra.
one of many.
Guys, I just couldn't leave without trying a donut with the lightning. I've been wanting to see what this lightning's really about. They're pretty good for its first donut. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting this one in the burnout pits at the shows, but for sure the GMC. I wanna get Cassandra to the point where she'll be able to get in the burnout pit and do some donuts by herself and be able to like control it. And even if it's not all that great at the beginning, but anybody's got like a big piece of property where we can go practice our donuts, let me know and we'll go over there and burn some time. Like right here, we're risking it, you know, maybe the cops show up. I mean, cops over here are pretty cool, but you never know. We don't want to risk, especially that place where I always go try to practice my donuts. Especially now with Cassandra driving it, I want her to get it reckless driving on her record. What was her experience with her first set of donuts? Damn it, bad. Subscribe. How was that, man?
I was a little scared, I'm not even gonna lie.
Was your adrenaline like pumping?
Yeah, but like I feel like I could have kept going, but like
What were you scared of? The
cops?
cops?
Safety in me was like hesitant.
What do you mean safety in you?
Like the precaution in me. You know how I'm very precautious?
Yeah.
I like to ask for permission before I do anything. I like to call in advance to make sure that I can do that, you know? So not knowing like that everyone
I was kind of scared too because right there is like sketchy. Y luego the police station is like right across the street.
That's what I was saying. I'm like, oh my god. Luego al rato nos van a agarrar y luego then you're gonna see a mugshot. My wife went to jail.
Yeah.
And then not in this pandemic, please. Not in this coronavirus.
Nah, I feel like they wouldn't tell us nothing. Hey, but you think you could do donuts like at a car show?
Maybe if it was on an open field like that, yes.
What do you mean? That's better than open field like that.
Yeah, there, yeah, but like if you enclose me,
Like
it is out of my control whether this truck hit a barrier or not. You know
damn,
what I mean?
I don't know if I could risk it like that.
Me or her? Me or her?
It's a truck, cause nothing's gonna happen to you. The lightning did some badass donuts. It didn't really damage the tires too much.
Hey, did I smoke some smoke?
Nah, not as much as this one did.
No, this one did a lot.
This one did a lot of smoke.
I was like, well, you should have told me that he was doing all that.
That was badass, right?
How did it feel? How does it feel for your wife to be in this?
That's badass.
Next thing you know, my IG name's gonna be
Cassandra
SVT GMC Serato Cassie ____.
Damn, esta pinche troca sacó chingo de humo. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, but you got some huevos.
And I was thinking over here, like, did I do that?
Nah.
Hopefully I looked high.
Nah, you didn't do that much. You didn't do no. But yeah, guys, let us know if you want to see more of Cassandra practicing her donuts. And what do you think, babe? You want to practice some more?
Yeah.
If we can find somewhere where you can do donuts and just burn tires.
Yeah. Pero me aseguras que esta nunca troca se va a dar vuelta.
Nah, it's not gonna flip.
Okay.
And if it flips, we'll do just flip. But it's hard for these trucks to flip.
As long as it doesn't flip.
Cassandra's down for it.
Cassie does a burnout in the next
So
truck.
Cassandra she learned how to ride the bike. The little bike that I have, and now she just learned how to do a donut, and now she's racing on the street.
And he didn't even teach me that well. He just said, step on the brake, step on the gas.
Well, that's really all you do. You just turn the wheel.
Like in my head, I was like,
It
you
worked.
know how I was doing the stupid bike where you like let go of the clutch and go to the gas and whatever, and I was like, I wonder how it's gonna maneuver.
Nah,
but I did good.
it was good how you stepped on it and you started burning out before you actually let go. That's good.
I wasn't intentional.
Oh, was it?
No, I didn't like.
You step on the brake, you start doing the burnout, and then you
Yeah, because I was like,
you let go of the brake and then you start spinning. Because if you just start spinning from the get go, then sometimes if the truck doesn't have enough power and it's not burning, it won't do the turn like that. It'll fucking make like a big turn.
Did I do like, you know how the guys go and like do the side? That's my ultimate goal.
Oh, the drifting, like
The drift.
yeah, that's a
But
little bit
Fernando
harder.
has to buy me a car, y'all.
A car? Why you don't want a truck?
No, I want a car, like an imported car, like a
drift car?
BMW. Yeah.
Really?
Make it happen.
You think you can drift a car?
I didn't think I can drive a motorcycle. I didn't think I can do a donut. Don't put limits on
Guys,
me.
coming up, we gonna buy a drift car. Would you be down for like a 350Z?
Oh, is that the ones that?
They look a little rat.
Yeah. Oh, Fernando used to have a Honda.
A Civic.
I would want a Honda like that.
But you can't drive with those because those are front wheel drive.
Oh.
With the 350Z, those are rear wheel drive.
Okay.
I just want to get you to the point where you could do a burnout at a show and that'd be badass.
That would be badass.
Because
That'd be
I'd
more
be
badass if I did something.
I was scared.
I was scared too. I was like, damn, like, si le...
For one, I was scared. For one, I was scared because I'm like, Cassandra, she's not that used to driving the truck. She drives it, but she's not used to driving it or racing. And like the racing part I wasn't scared, but like the
Because I
burnout.
have stepped on it before.
Yeah.
Pero se me ha culiado mucho. Like,
Yeah.
this-
Coleado.
Culiado.
Coleado.
Coleado.
Yeah.
Mucho. Because that one's like a little ballsy. Like,
Yeah, it's got some power, so when you step on it, it'll go to the sides.
Like, te arranca.
So
it's like, if you
that's
go
what
and play,
Cassandra's
you
really
want to.
scared about. Her losing control and hitting something. But
Other than
as long
that,
as you don't let off, you should be good.
I was like, no, y la bebé de Fernando.
La GMC.
Y que se pasa algo.
So which one do you want to drive?
No, that one.
You don't like
It's
the,
been here the longest.
but you don't want to drive the Lightning? You want to drive that one?
Y'all, I'm not a lightning person.
It's not. It's badass. I love it.
To each his own. I'm just not a Ford
Oh, I like it. I'm loving it.
since a long time ago.
I've been telling Cassandra for so long that I've been wanting to buy a Lightning.
And every time he's been like discouraged because of the prices.
Yeah, like Lightnings
He
ain't
gets
cheap.
Like an actual like.
Let's see what Camila's doing while she's gonna come over. Bebé, bebé, bebé.
Hi, my love.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Outside.
Your mama did a burnout today?
Mommy, you wanna be in my next burnout?
No. Your mama did a burnout in la troca, bebé?
To make me like love me more?
I love you.
Oh man. Then I don't need to do this then. I don't need to put the extra
But it's cool
effort.
though that you're doing it. That you have the balls to do it. A lot of people are doing it. I was scared.
I know you were scared.
Nah, but I'm gonna get used to it. Cassandra's gonna be more in the vlogs now, guys. We're gonna bring her along now on these videos because it'd be boring here at the house. Whenever I'm doing crazy, then
It's because it's quarantine time.
yeah.
You know? And by nature, I mean I'm here. Me and Camila are here.
The Camila likes getting in them. Check it out. Vete.
¿Te quieres subir a la troca?
Súbete, bebé.
Súbete.
Vámonos. Sí. Espérame.
A ver si se puede subir. Go ahead. Go on. Go.
Se
Go,
sube
Camila.
primero allá y luego ya se sube para acá. Eso. Eso es todo. She's trying to roll. Súbete,
Can I
bebé.
help you?
No, she's gotta do it by herself.
Start over. And down I go.
Vámonos, súbete.
No puedo, Daddy, no puedo. It's too soft, like she's about to grasp like that. Wow.
Ya se subió. ¡Bravo! Life ain't a game. Whoa.
Bye. Bye.
¿Ya te vas a la escuela, bebé? Bye.
So whoever voted that I was gonna win,
Thank you.
So I guess I'm gonna get a massage tonight.
We always bet on that guy.
Every day, all day. Hey, you think Camila's gonna fall from the bed? There goes the bed. She gonna trip?
There goes a bet.
Is she gonna fall asleep before the show ends? There goes another bet.
Alright guys, well hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. Me and Cassandra are out.
Bye. My pores. Vámonos. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Vámonos. Vámonos.